Today on Moto Market Explorer, 15 classic motorcycles for sale sourced from Craigslist, featuring rare restorations, survivor bikes, and collector favorites across the United States. Number 1. 1975 BMW R60/6, $3,800, Roseburg, Oregon. This mid-1970s BMW R60/6 represents classic airhead engineering with a long list of recent service updates that make it especially appealing. It features new tires, fresh fuel lines, valve cover gaskets, oil and filter service, steering stabilizer work, refreshed frame paint, and rebuilt handlebar switches. The carbs have been balanced and tuned, and much of the rubber has been replaced, showing thoughtful maintenance. Included are original hard saddlebags, a padded sissy bar, and a Luftmeister full fairing, adding period touring character. With classic boxer reliability and strong enthusiast support, this R60/6 offers a well-sorted vintage German ride at an approachable price point. Number 2. 1981 Harley-Davidson FXWG Wide Glide, $8,700, Lake Alfred, Florida. This 1981 FXWG Wide Glide captures the unmistakable presence of the shovelhead era with its iconic wide front forks and muscular stance. Powered by an 80 cubic inch 1340cc V-twin paired to a 4-speed transmission, it blends vintage character with solid road performance. Showing over 43,000 miles and carrying a clean title, the bike retains its original paint, enhancing its authentic appeal. Recently serviced and described as road-ready, it stands as a strong example of early factory custom styling from Harley-Davidson. For riders seeking a true American classic with heritage and attitude, this Wide Glide delivers both nostalgia and presence. Number 3. 1969 Honda CB450, $3,200, Portland, Oregon. Rescued after decades in storage, this 1969 Honda CB450 has been carefully brought back to dependable running condition while preserving its originality. With 17,000 miles and original paint, it reflects Honda's innovative late 1960s engineering, including its distinctive dual overhead cam parallel twin engine. Significant time and investment have reportedly gone into recommissioning the bike, transforming it from a long-dormant garage find into a reliable rider. Clean title in hand adds practicality, while its largely original presentation increases collector appeal. For enthusiasts who value authentic Japanese classics with history, this CB450 strikes an appealing balance. Number 4. 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, $5,800, Mustang, Oklahoma. The 1970 Moto Guzzi 750 Ambassador stands as a symbol of durable Italian touring heritage. This original example features period-correct accessories and benefits from a rebuilt starter, making it a solid runner. With over 65,000 miles, it reflects the long-distance capability these shaft-driven V-twins are known for. The chrome cylinders have been replaced, maintaining visual integrity while preserving mechanical strength. Backed by a current Oklahoma title, it offers both collector appeal and real-world usability. For riders drawn to classic European touring machines with distinctive transverse V-twin character, the Ambassador remains a compelling choice. Number 5. 1975 Kawasaki KH400 S3A, $8,500, California. This 1975 Kawasaki KH400 Triple has undergone a meticulous nut and bolt restoration, bringing new life to one of the most exciting two-stroke triples of the 1970s. Nearly every component has been refinished, replaced, or restored using new and high-quality parts, including expensive new old stock items. The pearl white and blue paint scheme adds tasteful individuality, while the refreshed top end with new pistons and rings reinforces mechanical confidence. Although nearly complete, it requires minor finishing items before becoming a runner. As a show-quality restoration of a desirable triple-cylinder two-stroke, this KH400 represents both performance heritage and collector prestige. Number 6. 1985 Moto Marini 500 Sport, $5,000, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. With just 8,900 miles and always garaged, this 1985 Moto Marini 500 Sport offers Italian Cathay racer style paired with lightweight V-twin performance. Presented in excellent condition with a clean title, it has been carefully maintained and stored with a battery tender. The 500cc engine delivers a lively riding experience in a compact chassis that rewards spirited backroad riding. Increasing interest in 1980s European sport machines has made well-preserved examples like this more desirable among collectors. For enthusiasts seeking something uncommon yet practical, this Moto Marini delivers distinctive character and exclusivity. Number 7. 1976 Suzuki GT500, $4,995, Columbia, Missouri. The Suzuki GT500 evolved from the legendary T500 Titan and remains one of the most respected large displacement two-strokes of its era. This 1976 model shows just over 14,000 miles and carries a clean title, though it has been stored since 1999 and would benefit from recommissioning. Featuring a 492cc air-cooled parallel twin, 5-speed gearbox, and front disc brake, it blends performance with reliability. Known for durable engines producing mid-40 horsepower figures, the GT500 balances classic styling with touring-friendly ergonomics. For vintage two-stroke fans, it presents strong restoration potential and long-term collectability. Number 8. 1970 Triumph 500, $5,500, York, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Triumph 500 Twin offers classic British styling with distinctive purple and yellow paintwork. Featuring twin carburetors, a 500cc engine, and manual transmission, it reflects the lightweight performance focus of Triumph's early 1970s lineup. Showing just over 8,000 miles and reportedly running, it provides a foundation for riding enjoyment or cosmetic refinement. British twins from this era continue to attract collectors who appreciate their mechanical simplicity and unmistakable exhaust note. With a clear VIN and operational status, this Triumph presents a solid entry into vintage British motorcycling. Number 9. 1979 Yamaha SR500, $4,000, Concord, California. A true single-cylinder classic, This 1979 Yamaha SR500 has been garaged since 1985 and shows only 6,115 original miles. Sold new at San Leandro Yamaha and accompanied by original paperwork, it retains strong provenance. The tank interior is clean and the bike was started last summer, indicating solid preservation. The SR500's kickstart simplicity and torquey thumper engine have made it a cult favorite among collectors and custom builders alike. With a clean California title, this low-mile survivor offers authenticity and long-term appeal in a minimalist, timeless package. Number 10. 1966 BSA Lightning, $7,500, York, Pennsylvania. The 1966 BSA Lightning represents one of the most iconic British 650 twins of the 1960s. Featuring twin carburetors and a 650cc engine, this example is described as running and carries a VIN matching its model designation. Mileage is exempt on the title, typical for its age. Known for strong mid-range performance and distinctive styling, the Lightning remains a cornerstone of British motorcycle history. For collectors seeking a classic that defined an era of performance twins, this BSA offers recognizable heritage and enduring appeal. Number 11. 1979 Honda CB750K, $4,950, Portland, Oregon. The 1979 CB750K marks one of the final years of the iconic wire wheel era for Honda's legendary four-cylinder platform. Showing 21,000 original miles and a clean title, this bike is described as fully tuned, running perfectly, and with everything functioning properly. And 4-into-1 Vance & Hines exhaust adds a subtle performance-oriented touch. The CB750 revolutionized motorcycling in the late 1960s, and later models like this refined the formula with reliability and everyday usability. For riders seeking an iconic inline-four classic that remains practical today, this CB750K delivers timeless credibility. Number 12. 1973 BMW R60/5, $8,500, Novato, California. Completely restored with documentation, this 1973 BMW R60/5 represents the elegance of early 1970s airhead design. Featuring a 500cc boxer engine and clean title, it combines classic styling with the durability BMW became known for. A documented restoration adds significant value, especially for collectors prioritizing correctness and mechanical integrity. The 5 Series is admired for its rounded fuel tank, simple instrumentation, and refined road manners. For someone seeking a fully refreshed German classic ready for display or riding, this R60/5 stands as a premium offering. Number 13. 1970 Honda SS125A, $2,600, Mesa, Arizona. This 1970 Honda SS125A remains in very nice original condition, offering a glimpse into smaller displacement Japanese engineering of the era. Running and riding well with a clean title in hand, it presents as a charming addition to any collection. The odometer reads in kilometers, reflecting its market origins. Lightweight and approachable, bikes like the SS125A are increasingly valued for their originality and compact classic styling. For collectors looking to diversify beyond larger displacement machines, this Honda offers affordability and authenticity. Number 14. 1972 Triumph Bonneville T120, $4,900, Saco, Maine. A 1972 Triumph Bonneville T120 with matching frame and engine numbers carries strong collector credibility. Showing 16,405 miles and equipped with a Boyer electronic ignition upgrade, it remains largely stock and true to its heritage. The 650cc parallel twin engine defined British performance in its era, and the Bonneville name continues to resonate strongly today. With a clean title and reported running condition, it offers both authenticity and usability. For serious collectors or enthusiasts wanting an iconic British twin, this T120 remains a cornerstone choice. Number 15. 1977 Yamaha 360, $1,295, York, Pennsylvania. Ending with an affordable classic, this 1977 Yamaha 360 offers 360 cc's of vintage simplicity with a clean title and manual transmission. Mileage is exempt, consistent with its age. Priced attractively, it presents an accessible entry into classic motorcycling for hands-on enthusiasts. Smaller displacement bikes like this often provide straightforward maintenance and enjoyable riding experiences. For those seeking a budget-friendly vintage project or lightweight cruiser, this Yamaha 360 rounds out the lineup with practical potential. Which of these Craigslist classics would you take home? Comment below and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more vintage motorcycle finds every day.